In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up related products in Shopify. Showing related or frequently bought together products is a great way to increase your average order value and help customers discover items that go well together. In this walkthrough, we'll use a Shopify app called Frequently Bought Together FT to create a bundle and then display it on your product pages. Start by opening your Shopify dashboard in your browser and logging into your store. From the main admin menu on the left, look for the section labeled Apps and click on it. On the Apps page, find and click on All Recommended Apps. This will open up more options, and from there, click on the Shopify App Store button to open the full app marketplace in a new tab. In the App Store search bar, type Frequently Bought Together FT. When you see the app appear in the search results, click on it to open the app page. On this page, click Install, then confirm by clicking Install again when Shopify prompts you. Give it a moment while the app installs and connects to your store. Once the app is installed, you'll be taken into its settings area. Look for a button that says Create Bundle and click it. Then select the option called Feather Frequently Bought or similar wording for product bundles. Before the app can place widgets in your theme, click on Run Theme Analysis so it can scan your current theme and know where to insert the related products section. Next, you'll be prompted to install a Chrome extension. Click Install Now and add the extension to your browser. This helps the app integrate with your storefront more smoothly. Back in the app, click Browse to choose the main product you want to base your recommendations on. This should be a product where related items make sense, like accessories or complementary products. Select that product and click Add. Now, under the area for recommended products in the bundle, click Browse again. Select the products you want to show up as related to the main item, then click Add. When you're happy with your selection, click Save to create the bundle. To display this on your storefront, go back to your Shopify admin and click Online Store, then choose Edit Theme. In the theme editor, switch to a product template by first clicking on Homepage, then Products, and then selecting the default product template. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click Add Section. From the list that appears, choose Apps. You should now see an option like Feather Frequently Bought Together or Related Products, depending on how your bundle was set up. Click that, and the Related Products section will be added to your product page template. Adjust the position if needed, then save your theme. That's it. You've set up related products in Shopify using the Frequently Bought Together FT app.